$1 million and $5 million as well. So that's crazy, guys. Let's go with 100,000 first. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing great, and in this particular video I am going to show you that by default, if you install the MetaTrader app, it offers you a demo account of $10,000. But what if you want to open a manual account with a bigger size, like $100,000 account? So you can easily do that on the MetaTrader app. Let me show you how. So first of all, what I'll do is click on this plus sign, and from here I'll choose the meta quotes, and here on the top it says open a demo account. Let's click on it, and it will ask you for your first name, second name, phone number and email. Now guys, these all details are compulsory, so you have to mention all of them. So these are the other settings by default. I'll keep it as it is, and the deposit I want to change it from 10,000 to 100,000, and we also have an option of up to $1 million and $5 million as well. So that's crazy, guys. Let's go with 100,000 first. So click on accept and click register, and it will give you some credentials. Just copy it somewhere. I'll copy and paste it on WhatsApp so that we can use it in the login. And let's go back, click on done, and it's now open. But if it didn't, or you accidentally deleted, you can always log in by using this credentials. So simply you will go here, and whenever, let's say you have uninstalled the app, you have the credentials. I'll go to the meta quotes, and here you will place all of your details, the login, the password and all, and you are good to go. So guys, this is how you can open a manual demo account on the MetaTrader app. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell for all the future videos. This is our signing off from today's video. Take care.